Today, we're diving into the inspiring journey of Robert Downey Jr., the man who transformed from Hollywood's bad boy to one of its most respected actors. Through the ups and downs, he's shown us that no setback is permanent if you have the determination to turn things around. Robert Downey Jr. was born into a world of Hollywood glitz and glam. His father, a filmmaker, introduced him to acting at a young age. But with fame and wealth came the lure of darker habits. By his teenage years, Robert was already exposed to substances, a path that would lead him into a spiral of addiction. For years, Robert struggled. Despite early success, he faced legal troubles and public scandals. But even in his darkest moments, Robert had a love for his craft, a spark that never went out. He often said, "I know very little about acting. I'm just an incredibly gifted faker." But he wasn't just a faker, he was a fighter. The turning point in his life came after numerous arrests and setbacks. In the early 2000s, he reached a decision, a commitment to change. He knew he couldn't do it alone, so he sought support. He found help through friends, family, and later his wife Susan Levin, who became his rock. Robert's path to recovery wasn't easy. He had to rebuild his career brick by brick. Downey once said, "I don't drink these days. I am allergic to alcohol and narcotics. I break out in handcuffs." With humor, determination, and support, he found his way back. In 2008, his career took a groundbreaking turn with Iron Man. The role of Tony Stark became more than just another part. In many ways, Stark's story mirrored Downey's own, a man who transformed his life, one step at a time. Through Iron Man, Robert reminded us that redemption is possible. He was no longer just an actor, he was an inspiration to millions. So what can we learn from Robert Downey Jr.? Lesson 1. Never let your past define you. Robert shows us that our past mistakes don't define us. We can always rewrite our story. He said, "Listen, smile, agree, and then do whatever you were going to do anyway. Stay true to your path." Lesson 2. Robert credits his recovery to his family and his wife, Susan. He teaches us that no journey is completed alone. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not those who drag you down. Lesson 3. Embrace change and growth. In Robert's words, worrying is like praying for something that you don't want to happen. Let go of what you can't control and focus on growth. He teaches us that each day is a chance to be better. Robert Downey Jr. isn't just an actor. He's proof that anyone can change, no matter how deep their struggles. He's the reminder that success isn't about never failing. It's about rising up again and again. So if you're facing struggles, remember Robert Downey Jr.'s journey. Know that you have the strength within you to overcome anything. Just keep going.